Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time. This is Rion. Today I would like to do an unboxing video, and this one is something I haven't done before, but I would like to do it. So yeah. Alright, so a few days ago I went to the Apple store and I bought me a new iPad Pro, the 2024, the iPad Pro. I got the 11-inch, and I also got me the Apple Pencil Pro. Alright, let's unbox this. Oh my god, this is so thin. Go. And I also bought a case with this. Alright, let me put it down really quickly. I ordered the case from Amazon or maybe 3-4 days ago. So it's a pretty much fast delivery. It's just that they have scissors that doesn't work. Hey, look, it's much faster. Alright. Alright, that, and we're gonna put this iPad into this. Okay. Oh, I didn't even know there was a front and back side to it. Hey, look at that. It is perfect. And this case even has the space for the Apple Pencil Pro. So, yay! In the future, I'm gonna be having a different case. Ta-da! Oh my. They changed it to all black, the charging cable. I did not know that. Well, here we go. Look at this. And this have a Type-C plug. If you look at it, there's a Type-C plug because Type-C. And then they have more volume bar, so I don't know what more volume bar does, but I hope it's louder. Not as loud, but yeah. And what's good about the iPad is, this iPad is, instead of the camera being on here like vertically, now it's horizontal. The camera is over here, so if you want to do a group video call or anything like that, that's really good for it. And this iPad, I heard that it's mostly for artists. Somehow it is really popular for like Procreate. The Apple Pencil that I bought, the Pro. Alright, while this is loading, let's open this. Mind you, I have never owned an Apple Pencil before, not to mention the Pro, so this is my first. Wow. Almost destroyed like this. Alright, this is the pencil out of the case. And we're just gonna get this. Never thought I would open it like this, but yes, I got it like that. Alright, so I'm just finishing setting it up, so just so I could show you. If you're wondering, like if you're someone that want to buy an iPad Pro, the new one, and you're wondering, should I buy 13 inches or should I buy 11? Honestly, the only difference in there is the size. The size is the only difference. And then of course pixel, you know, bigger screen, bigger pixel, but size is the only different thing. That's something I learned. So I bought the 11 inches because I'm not gonna need the bigger one. Alright guys, I finally set up my iPad, and I also got my Apple Pencil set up. Thank you so much for watching the video today. I will see you guys later in the future. Alright, have a lovely day. Good night. Bye.